Hello everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic. A few days ago, I wanted to test one of the newest Windows 11 Canary builds inside a virtual machine. I checked Microsoft's website and like many users, I quickly realized the exact build I wanted wasn't available as a direct ISO download. That's when I used a tool called UUP Dump, and honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to download almost any Windows 11 Insider build and convert it into a bootable ISO. In this video, I will show you the complete process. What is UUP Dump? UUP Dump is a community project that downloads official update files directly from Microsoft servers and then converts them into a Windows ISO. That means Canary builds, dev builds, beta builds, release preview builds can all be downloaded even when the Microsoft doesn't provide a ready-made ISO. Now let's start the process. Get the UUP Dump, open your favorite browser, in the address bar type this and press enter. You will arrive at the UUP Dump homepage. Immediately, you will notice several Windows Insider channels listed here. Canary channel, Dev channel, Beta channel, Release preview. Each section contains available Windows builds that can be downloaded and converted into an ISO. Select a build. Here I am going to download the latest Canary channel build. Click the Canary channel section. You will now see a list of available builds. Take a moment to review the build numbers. If you are following a specific Windows feature announcement, make sure you are downloading the correct build mentioned in that article or video. Once you have chosen a build, you will see architecture options. Most users should select x64. If you are using an ARM-based device such as certain Surface models, select ARM64. I am using a standard Windows PC, so I will choose x64. Next, you will be asked to choose a language. Open the drop-down menu, select the language you want your Windows installation to use. For me, that's English. Click Next. Now choose which Windows editions you want included. You will typically see Home, Pro, Education, Enterprise. For most users, Windows 11 Pro is the best choice. Check the editions you need, then click Next. Configure the download. Now head to make some configurations in the download settings. This page looks complicated at first, but don't worry, for most users the default options work perfectly. Under Select your download options, choose Download and Convert to ISO. This option automatically creates a usable ISO file after downloading all required files. Under Conversion options, make sure Include Updates is selected. Leave everything else as default. Now click Create Download Package. A zip file will download to your PC. Navigate to your Downloads folder, locate the zip file you just downloaded. Right-click it and select Extract All. Choose a location and extract the files. Once extraction is complete, open the folder. You will see several scripts inside. These scripts automate the entire ISO creation process. Run the download script. Inside the extracted folder, locate this. Right-click the file, select Run as Administrator. When User Account Control appears, click Yes. A command prompt window will open. The script may ask for confirmation. Simply follow the prompts shown on screen. In many cases, you will need to type R and press Enter. At this point, the tool begins downloading official Windows files directly from Microsoft's servers. The download size can be several gigabytes, depending on the build you have selected. During this stage, you will see download progress, file verification, update extraction, ISO creation. Don't close the command prompt window, don't restart your PC, just let the script finish. Your results may vary depending on internet speed, processor performance, storage speed. Once everything is complete, you will see a message saying download completed. At that point, you can type 0 or Q to close the command prompt window. Now return to the extracted folder, look at the top of the folder contents. You should see a brand new Windows 11 ISO file waiting for you. Congratulations! You have successfully created your own Windows 11 Insider ISO. What can you do with it? Now that you have the ISO, you can install Windows 11 in a virtual machine, create a bootable USB drive, perform a clean installation, test upcoming features before public release, experiment without enrolling your main PC in the Insider program. This is exactly how I test many of the new Windows 11 features showcased on this channel. If you plan on testing Windows regularly, you can also join the Windows Insider program. To do that, open Settings, then Windows Update, then Windows Insider program. Sign in with your Microsoft account, then choose Canary, Dev, Beta, Release Preview depending on how experimental you want your Windows experience to be. However, if you only need an ISO occasionally, UUP Dump remains one of the best solutions available. And that's how you can download and create Windows 11 Insider ISO files for virtually any build available on Microsoft's servers. Whether you are testing Canary builds, setting up a virtual machine, or simply exploring upcoming Windows features, this method works reliably and gives you access to builds that aren't always available through Microsoft's official ISO download pages. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Silicophilic, and let me know in the comments which Windows 11 Insider build you were currently using. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.